Welcome back again to my channel. It's your boy here, John Machis on the channel. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for great support. I really appreciate it. So today I have another traditional music video all the way from Ethiopia, and the title is Rahil Getu Nana New Ethiopia Amharic Music, and this is gonna be banging. I love it and I really love the dance, the traditional, the cultural is banging. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started from the beginning, right here, from Nahum Record. Now we go to 16. Wow. Yeah. Wow. I love her melody and the way her vocal is. Like, I really love it. And this is bangani. And the dance, I never forget the dance, like, chest in, chest out. You gotta be oh, I really love it. Wow. Yo. Thank you so much for watching it, and thank you so much for great support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's your boy here, John Machis, on the channel. Thank you so much. I hope I will see you on my next video coming in. Support me. Peace out.